Hi, I'm Ari from Compressor Mart. We sell second-hand compressors and new compressors. The second-hands are still relevant because they are a lot cheaper than new machines. We got here on the left some new ones, actually. They are new Chinese compressors mounted on tanks, 2.2 kilowatt to 4 kilowatt. Then we got here second-hand compressors, Ingersoll Rand in stock. We got here EcoAir compressors in stock. We got Atlas Copco, Compare, Hydrovane, that's also a division of Compare, it's the same company now. And we got Kaiser compressors on the right, very good German machines. We also have, for your air quality, to take the water out of the air, the condense, we got at the back desiccant air dryers. From them we have big ones and small ones. These are big ones. Then we have small air dryers as well, the normal standard type. We got inline filters that you put behind your air dryers to filter the air. We got air filters, separators, oil filters, whatever is needed for your maintenance on your machines. And we carry a lot of parts as well, like rubbers, coupling rubbers, belts, drive belts, whatever you need. So give us a call and we can help you.